Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Wherever you're watching me from, welcome. So today I'm going to show you how I made that flounce sleeve. Okay, what you're seeing now is organdy. I folded it into 4 and I'm trying to mark out the flounce. Okay, the flounce for the sleeve. So I'm pinning them down so that when I'm done cutting, it will not scatter. You can see it there. Now see the flounce here. So I'm going to cut it now. So after cutting, I'm going to cut it now. You can see it. I'm just trying to redraw it for you to see. That is the center. That is the center. So when you start cutting like so. So that is it. So I'm trying to measure to make sure that it is the same measurement that I need, that I marked down. So down there is the excess that is remaining. I don't want it to waste. That is what I'm doing, just trying to recreate another line so I can be able to make use of that part also. So that is it. So I'm going to cut it now. So I will cut it out now. Remember, I pinned them so that they will not scatter. So after cutting now, you see they still going to remain the same way they are. Okay, you can see me now. In order to the edge not to be coming out, so I secure with help of with sodium iron. So I secure it with sodium iron. So I'm just separating the flounce now. So I'm separating them from each other. Okay, so the next thing you're going to see me is the quinoline. I'm going to use the quinoline to turn them out. So that is the flounce after using the quinoline to turn them out. So these are the flounce after using quinoline to turn them out. Then you will now place it. This time you're going to be stitching it on the sleeve. That is the next net that I'm working with. I'm using net for the sleeve. So here I'm going to stitch it on the sleeve. As you're stitching it, you will be pleating. You'll be pleating it. So you're going to be pleating it. That is the only way it's going to form, give you that volume. Not really volume. That is the only way to give you that shape, that curvy shape. So you have to be pleating it on the sleeve like that. So this stage is very technical. You have to give it your best. Just take it easy, slow and steady. You don't have to be in a rush. Just take it slow. Okay, you need to pay attention to this part because this is where the work is. Stitching the flounce on the sleeve especially when you're using net, that's where the work is, but it's not difficult once you concentrate on what you are doing. So you're going to get a better result, and this is not what you have to be in a rush. You don't be in a rush when you're making this kind of sleeve, because it's very 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 it needs much attention. So you need much attention. You have to be very very give it your attention, while you're pleating and making sure your sleeve is still in good condition, it's not torn, it's not, it requires much patience anyway. So but as long as you're doing it like that, you have nothing to worry about. It's going to give you a good it's going to give you what you're looking for. In short, to give you what you're looking for, it's going to give you that curvy effect. Here is it. I've already created the sleeve. I will attach it to the body of the blouse. So that is it not looking beautiful? Is it not looking beautiful? Very beautiful. So I want to say thank you for watching to this end. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.